Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Grand Sierra Resort and Casino. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are 2 swimming pools, free parking, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms, airport shuttle, free spa, family rooms, tea, coffee maker in all rooms and a bar. This 4-star Reno resort features a full-service spa, a large casino and many shopping opportunities. This resort includes a 50-lane bowling center. Mount Rose Ski Tahoe is less than 30 minutes drive away. Offering free Wi-Fi, the contemporary rooms at Grand Sierra Resort and Casino offer a flat-screen cable TV with pay-per-view channels and a coffee machine. Guests can play blackjack, craps, roulette as well as video poker and slot machines at the Grand Sierra Casino. Race and sports betting stations are located at Race and Sportsbook, and Pai Gow and Baccarat are also available at the casino. The pool at Grand Sierra Resort features a resort-sized pool and adults-only infinity deck, plus hot tubs, fire pits and splash pad play area for kids. The resort also includes a golf driving range, go-karts and adventure rides, a family games arcade, and 2 movie theaters. Fine dining is provided at Charlie Palmer Steak Restaurant, and Briscola Italian Restaurant, located in the Grand Sierra Resort and Casino. Casual dining, bars and lounges are also on site. The Reno Tahoe International Airport is 2 miles from this resort and a free airport transfer service is provided to guests. Diamond Peak Ski Resort is 45 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.